So the next practical is isolation of pure culture. So again question is that what is culture? Culture means the organisms. It is a group of organisms. There are number of organisms are present. We can call it as a colonies or community of organisms. Okay, community of organisms is called as culture. Now these cultures are of two types. That is mixed culture and next one is the pure culture. So what is mean by the mixed culture? Means more than one type of colonies are present together, more than one type of organisms are present together, it is called as mixed culture. While the pure culture means the single type of colony is present within that media is called as pure culture. Only single type of colony. Okay, so as we know the organisms are omnipresent. They are present everywhere. So how you should isolate the pure culture? So for that you should take first the wastewater or any type of food ingredient. Take any type of samosa or pani puri's water, anything you can take. Okay, and you should suppose I will take the wastewater. So collect the wastewater. So suppose this is the wastewater. After that, what should I do? First of all, I will take the 5 test tubes. Okay, so these are the 5 test tubes. Each possess 9 ml of distilled water. So these are the 5 test tubes. Okay, each contain 9 ml distilled water in it, and each is having the cotton plug, proper cotton plug. Now what should I do? This is our wastewater, collected wastewater, and it is having the 9 ml of distilled water. Okay, it will all contain 9 ml distilled water. Then I will take 1 ml of this wastewater and I will add it into the first test tube. So it becomes 10 raised to minus 1. Okay, I will mix it properly. After that, I will transfer 1 ml from first test tube to second. It becomes 10 raised to minus 2. This is minus 3. And repeat the procedure till you will get the 10 raised to minus 5. Like this. Okay, so you will get the 10 raised to minus 5. So what we are doing here? Suppose within this wastewater, number of organisms are present. Suppose 1000 number of organisms are present. Okay, so I will take lookful of solution from it. Lookful or 1 ml of the that wastewater. So in that 1 ml, suppose 100 microorganisms are transferred to this 9 ml. Okay, then from this 100 again I will mix it. I will dilute it. And here suppose 50. Then suppose again we will mix it in second, it will be 25. Here near about 12. And maybe in this test tube you will get 1 to 5 number of organisms. So what we are doing? We are diluting the wastewater. Means we are reducing the population. We are reducing the population of organisms here. Okay, so here by this process of dilution you can reduce the population of the organism. Now it is okay. Here in 10 raised to minus 5 you got the reduced population. Now what to do next? So in next our aim is isolation of pure culture. यहाँ पे हमने क्या किया है? Dilution बनाया है. But we are not sure that in the 10 raised to minus 5 yes there is a 1 or 2 organisms are present. 1 or 2 colonies are present. It is not possible. So we have to prove it. So how you are going to isolate a pure culture? For that you should prepare the nutrient agar. Nutrient agar. So prepare nutrient agar. Okay, that is peptone 0.5 gram, leaf extract 0.3, yeast extract 0.3, NaCl pinch of added agar powder 1.5 gram. Okay, sterilize it properly. Add 100 ml distilled water. Sterilize it properly along with petri plates. Okay, and once your sterilization is over, that is 121 degrees Celsius. Okay, and the 15 lbs pressure is there for then wipe the area properly. After disinfecting the area, lighten the burner and transfer the media aseptically to the petri plates. Okay, and once you transfer the media into the petri plates, wait for its solidification. And once the plates are solidified, after that, so after that what you should do? Suppose I will take 5 nutrients, sterile nutrient agar plates. So suppose these are the plates. This is first plate, second plate, third plate, fourth plate. Okay, suppose these are the 4th plate. So I will not take this suppose 10 raised to minus 3. Okay, what you should do? So isolation of pure culture by strict plate method. Okay, by strict plate method. Strict plate method. So in strict plate method there are 2 types. First is 4 corner method and second one is the zigzag method. Zigzag method. So this 4 corner method is more preferable. So how you should perform this 4 corner method? So just suppose this is the dichrome vinyl. These are the 4 corners. First corner, second, third and fourth. So take out the solution or culture. Loop full of solution. Take out the loop full of culture. Place it over here at the top and string it like this. Okay, so I will string it like this. After that, rotate the plate. Okay, rotate the plate, string like this. Again rotate the plate, string like this. Again rotate the plate ends on the 4th corner and in the center. So again here you are reducing the number of population of organism. How? So see here, in loop full of suspension you are placing the drop here and just you are spreading, you are stripping here like this. So minimum number of organisms are stripped here. After that you are rotating the plate. Again in second corner. As compared to first corner, in second corner less number of organisms are there. Third number less number of organisms are there. In fourth number less number of organisms as compared to 1, 2, 3 is there. And in center you are stripping. So there are chances that in the middle you will get a single colony. And this is our purpose. We want a pure culture of organisms. Okay, so here we got the pure culture. This is called as the 4 corner method. What is zigzag method? In zigzag method, take loop full of suspension and place it over here at the top and just strip like this zigzag. So it is a zigzag method. So here again we are reducing the population. यहाँ पे quantity ज़्यादा आएंगे, organisms ज़्यादा grow हो जाएंगे as compared to this one, because we are reducing the population by stripping. Okay, so this is the 4 corner method and this is zigzag method. So in practical, what you should do first? This is the dilution. Okay, and you prepare the 5 plates of this nutrient agar, sterile nutrient agar. Now take this 10 raised to minus 1, stick it over here like this by 4 corner method and inside. Again take 10 raised to minus 2, streak like this. Okay, and in the center. So it is 10 raised to minus 1, it is 10 raised to minus 2, and like this 10 raised to minus 5. Repeat the procedure for up to 10 raised to minus 5. So you will get the colonies here. So there are 100% chances that in 10 raised to minus 5 you will get a single type of colony and near about minimum 4 to 9 colonies are there in 10 raised to minus 5. And now you can take out this colony, okay, and aseptically transfer it on the stag or slant, more specifically on the slant. Now you should do a subculturing practice. Okay, so you got the colonies. Once you got these colonies, suppose here white colonies are there. So you should check the morphological characters of these colonies. So how you should check the morphological characters of these colonies? By checking the color of colony, consistency of colony. Okay, what is the color of colony? If the white colony is there, so it may be E. coli, or translucent colony, it may be E. coli. Then yellow color colony is there, pink color colony is there, it should be Staphylococcus aureus. So like that, you should mention the color of colony. After that, shape of colony, how the colony's shape is there. Okay, then consistency of colony. What is meant by check the place the nichrome wire aseptically. Okay, within the burner you should do it. So open the plate, just touch to the colony. If it is sticky or non-sticky like that, you should check the consistency of colony. After that, you should check the enclave, how the enclave is there. Margin, how is the margin of that colony is there. Okay, so you should, like this, you should do the take the morphological colonies, and after taking the morphological colonies, after that you should perform the gram staining and hanging crop method for checking either this colony is a E. coli, or it is a Staphylococcus aureus, or it is any other type of colony is there. So you should check the morphological characters and check which type of colony is there, and after that perform the subculturing for preservation of that pure culture. Okay, so it is a strict plate method. Then next method is there for isolation, that is spread plate method. So for spread plate method, there is a requirement of this spreader, glass spreader, like this. The glass spreader is there. Glass spreader. So by using this glass spreader, take the nutrient agar sterile nutrient agar plate, okay, add a drop of your solution or your culture, either this 10⁻⁻1 or any type of solution. If you grow the colony previously, add it into the sterile distilled water and just place a drop of that colony onto the nutrient agar plate, and with the help of this glass spreader, spread the colony. Again, close the colony, close the lid, and keep it into the incubator for their growth. You should keep all these plates into the incubator for their proper growth. Okay, so this is a spread plate method. Then again there is a pour plate method for isolation of pure culture. So in pour plate method, what you should do, after sterilization of media, okay, आपका media जो sterilize हो जाता है, after that take out your equipments which is sterilized, that is platelet plates and media, and after that आपको जब aseptically transfer करते हो media का, so at that point where the media is at room temperature but it is in molten form, जब media room temperature पे आ जाता है और वो molten form में रहता है, so at that time take the bacterial culture, okay, and add a drop of culture into that agar plate and gently mix it properly. आपको वर्किंग एरिया प्लेटफॉर्म पे उसको रखना है और जेंटली उसको मूव करना है. सो उसके बाद आप क्या करेंगे, उसको इंक्यूबेटर में रख देंगे. इट इज अ pour plate method. Okay, so these are three types of method by which you can isolate a pure culture: strict plate method, spread plate method, and pour plate method. In strict plate method there is a four corner method as well as zigzag method. Okay, but more specifically talking about this isolation of pure culture, so you should perform strict plate method as compared to spread plate and pour plate method. Why? Because in strict plate method the results are getting accurately, okay, as compared to spread plate. वहाँ पे नॉन आ जाता है बैक्टीरिया का spread plate पे और pour plate पे. यहाँ पे isolated colony strict plate पे आपको मिल जाती है. So this is the practical, that is isolation of pure culture of bacteria. Thank you. What we have to do, firstly we have to prepare the nutrient agar. So for that what we require peptone, beef extract. Okay, so I will add it one by one. So this is beef extract. So I weigh the beef extract, that is 0.3 gram. Okay, so I will add it into again this flask. So this is the yeast extract. So I weigh the yeast extract 0.3 gram and again I will add it into the flask. So this is agar agar powder, bacteriological agar agar powder. I weigh this agar agar powder 2 gram. Okay, it is 2.1, so I will manage it. Okay, I will reduce the quantity of it. So 2 gram of agar agar you have to take, but theoretically it is 1.5 gram. Okay, so I will again add it into this flask. Pinch of NaCl is added into it. It acts as an electrolyte, as we know. Now I will add the 100 ml distilled water in it. So students, this is 100 ml distilled water. So I will pour it into the flask. Okay, like this. Properly mix this. Okay. And after that we have to heat it and plug it. Cotton plug is necessary. Okay, now I will heat it. So students, I wrap this test tubes. Okay, sorry, I prepared the cotton plug for this test tube. Now I will wrap this test tube with the help of paper like this. It should be less, so for that. Okay. So we have to tie this flask. See here. Tie this very well for proper sterilization. I started the autoclave previously for preheating. Now it is ready. So after that I will keep two Petri plates in it. So this is 2 Petri plates. This one and this one. So I will wrap it properly. Okay. I am keeping only 2 test tubes because I kept 5 test tubes for subculturing. Okay, so like this you have to wrap it and tie it again. Yes, students. So for practical, that is isolation of pure culture of bacteria, for that what we have to do, first of all you have to take the ethanol on the cotton. Okay, then wipe the working area properly. Okay, and after that switch on the burner. So like this you have to keep your burner in this position. See here. So like this your burner should be there. So after that, now I will take wastewater for isolation of pure culture. Okay. So students, these are sterile nutrient agar plates. Okay, so as you know how to prepare the sterile nutrient agar plate. So just you have to prepare, that is peptone 0.5 gram, yeast extract 0.3 gram, beef extract 0.3 gram, NaCl pinch of added. After that agar agar powder agar powder 2 gram and distilled water 100 ml. Just keep it, dissolve it in the flask. After that keep it in the autoclave along with the Petri plates. Well wrapped Petri plates should be there, and then start the autoclave. After sterilization, take out that media, pour it into the plates. Okay, and after pouring the plate, then you have to wait for solidification. So now these plates are solidified. So after that, take this waste water. So this is the dirty collected water. Okay, so I will take this is nichrome wire loop. Okay, just heat it till it become red hot. So now it become red hot. Why we take nichrome wire loop? Because the heating temperature and cooling temperature of nichrome wire loop is very fast. It is heated very fastly and cooled down very fastly. So that's why we are taking it. So loop full of water I am taking. Then stick on the plate by four corner method. Okay, so how to perform the four corner method? So you have to draw the lines on this plate like this. You have to draw the lines. You have to make a square. Okay, so like this you have to prepare the square. So I will prepare on this same like this. Okay, here again, and on this plate also there are four plates. So now you have to take loopful of this waste water. So I will take waste water from it. Okay, then within the burner you have to stick on the like this, place a drop here, then stick on the first corner, then close the plate, rotate the plate, then second corner. So this is the second corner. Then third corner. Then last one, that is the fourth corner. And so lastly in the center I stripped. Okay, so that's why what we are doing, so we are reducing the number of population, okay, in the wastewater by four corner method. So it is a one of the four corner method. So again you can perform the zigzag method. So just hit the nichrome wire loop till red hot, then take the loop full of the waste water and just take it, open the plate and just zigzag like this. You have to stick on the plate, zigzag, 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 and just close the plate. Okay, so now this is the zigzag method. Then just you can do one thing for isolation of pure culture. I take this. Then again for isolation of pure culture, you can collect the soil from our garden. Then prepare the dilutions of it. Okay, that is 10 raised to -1 to 10 raised to -5, and just trick on the nutrient agar plate. So you can observe the number of colonies on the nutrient agar, and you will get near about 4 to 5 nutrient, that is the microbial or bacterial species on it or fungal species on it. Okay, so you can perform the zigzag method or four corner method. Again one more method is that is the spread plate method. Okay, so in that what you should do, just take out one loopful of suspension, or with the help of dropper you can take. Okay, take the plate and just add one drop of waste water on it, and with the help of spreader you can spread it. Okay, so this is the spread plate method by which we can isolate the pure culture of bacteria, that is four corner method, zigzag method and spread plate method. Then one more method is there, that is the pour plate method. So in pour plate method, what we should do? So first all of you have to take the nutrient agar. Okay. So I will take the nutrient agar first. So the nutrient agar is here. So I will take out the cotton. Okay. I will add it onto this plate, sterile nutrient agar plate. Just pour it. Now wait for when it is at room temperature. So wait for when it is at room temperature and it is in molten form. So at that time add the waste water in it. So it is called as the pour plate method. Now see, this agar is in molten form. So I will add 1 drop of waste water in it. Okay, and just gently keep this here on the platform and just mix it properly. Okay, gently mix it. So it is a pour plate method. So today we learn about 4 methods of isolation of pure culture of bacteria. First is the 4 corner method. Next one is the zigzag method. After that, spread plate method and pour plate method. Okay. Now you have to keep all these plates in the incubator and wait for the growth of bacteria for 24 hours or 48 hours. I will keep our plates in it in the incubator. Okay. Then check the temperature of incubator. Okay, so see the temperature is 30. So I will just increase the temperature above 30. Okay, so now I will wait for 24 hours and after that the growth of organism will be there. Okay, and after that we will take the colony characters of that particular colonies. Okay, so isolation of pure culture, for that, see here I prepared this dilution. This is 10 raised to minus 1 and 10 raised to minus 2. I just prepared 2. So this is a waste water dilution. So I will stick it on the plates. I am having only 2 plates. So that's why I am prepared only 2. Okay, so this is 10 raised to minus 1. Just take one loop of the solution or dilution and just stick on it. Okay, like this you have to stick on the plate. First corner, stick zigzag in the first corner. After that close the plate, rotate it. Then second corner, close the plate, rotate it, third corner now. After that rotate it again. This is our fourth corner. Okay, and in the middle. So now by this way you can perform the isolation of pure culture. Okay, so यहाँ पे 4 corner पे growth आ जाएगी organism की. So see here streaking is there. So I will keep these plates into the incubator for incubation purpose. After 1 to 2 days there will be a growth of organism. So I will share the results with you.